Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? And no, you can't pair your left earbud to one device and your right earbud to another device, but these earbuds support dual connection, so you can connect two devices, so to your phones, to your earbuds. And also you can listen to music with only one earphone. You just remove, let's say, right earbud from the charging case, close the case, and as you can see right here we have connection, so it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!